Good morning, students. Today we will be talking about quadratic equations again, but now we will be doing some what problems. Okay, as you can see from the question here, the sum of two numbers is 16. So we will be having two numbers, which when we add that number together, we have to get 16. Okay, that is the first hint. So as it is a quadratic equations, we have to use x, okay, as the number, but we cannot use y because it is quadratic equation. There is no y in quadratic equation, so we have to create two numbers using x, okay, and using this given 16, so which is very important. So first of all, if we say let the numbers be x, and if one of the numbers is x, we have to get 16, okay, with the other number. So the other number will be using this 16 minus x. So if we add this together, we will be getting 16 because the sum of two numbers is 16. So if we use x and 16 minus x as the two number, because we do not know the exact number, we will still get 16 as the answer. So we cannot use any other number, okay. We have to be very strict with these two, okay. If I add x plus 16 minus x, I will be getting 16. So this satisfies our question, so we have to be very careful with that. And what did we see in the next part of the question? The sum of their reciprocal is 1/3. So in the next part of the question, it talks about the reciprocals, okay, not the numbers. So we have to first write down the reciprocals. Their reciprocals means upside down, okay. Their reciprocals are, the reciprocals of x is 1/x, and the reciprocal of 16 minus x is 1/16 minus x. Okay, this is the second number we got. And what did it say? The sum of their reciprocal. That means that we have to add these two, and we will get 1/3. Then doing the calculation, we have to get the exact numbers, okay. So next step, so 1/x plus 1/16 minus x is equal to 1/3. Okay, these are from the question. Now the calculation part, which implies we have to take LCM here because both are in a fraction, okay. So LCM is x times 16 minus x. If I multiply the denominator with x, I will be getting 16 minus x. 16 minus x multiply 1 is 16 minus x, plus 16 minus x divide these two, we will be getting x. X into 1 is x, equal to 1/3. So as we can see here, negative x and positive x can cancel each other, so we are left with 16 by, if I multiply these two, 16x minus x square, which is equal to 1/3. Sorry, 16 into x is 16x, x into negative x is negative x square. So next part, we have fraction on both sides, okay, both sides. That means that I have to cross multiply left hand side and right hand side. So 16x minus x square into 1 is 16x minus x square, which is equal to 16/3. Okay, 16/3 is 48. So I will arrange this. If I arrange this, I will be getting negative x squared plus 16x, okay, because x squared has to move in front of x. Then if I transfer 48 to the left hand side it will be negative 48 equal to 0. Okay, because 48 has moved to the other side. So but as we can see that x square has negative sign, I don't want that, so I can change it like this: x square minus 16x plus 48 equal to 0. Okay, I have changed all the sign. Okay, as the right hand side has 0, 0 does not have sign, so does not affect anything. If it is another number, it will affect. Okay, so what we'll have to do is now splitting the middle term. Two numbers when we add have to give us 16, and when we multiply have to give us 48, which is 12 fours are. Okay, so x square, but we have negative sign here. We have to be careful, we have to put bracket. If there is negative sign here, always put bracket. Okay, 12x plus 4. 12x plus 4x is 16x. 12 into 4 is 48. So it satisfies both the terms. Then we have to break up the bracket here. Minus into plus is minus, 12x minus into plus is minus 4x. So as usual, we have to take common, form the first two and the last two. Here common is x minus 12, and here negative is common here, and 4. X minus 4, 12 by 48. Minus into minus is plus. Go to 0. So we have x minus 4 into x minus 12 equal to 0. So next, either x minus 4 is equal to 0 or x minus 12 is equal to 0. X is equal to 4 or x is equal to 12. So the two numbers are 12 and 4. Okay, so the question says that find the numbers. So 4 and 12 gives us 16. Okay, if we add the reciprocal, we will get 1 by 3 as well. Therefore the numbers are 4 and 12. So it's very easy. So this is all for today.